How's it going? I'm Chef Angel at ISA, and today don't do that again. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a cake. Oh, just wait. Step 1. Find and gather all of your materials to cook. All right, let's see if we can find our materials. See what we got. Ah, there's one right there. Perfect.
Super moist carrot mix.
All right, let's see if we can find any more. What could it be? Aha! Just what we need. Now, if only we could find some frosting. Ah! We spotted one. It's natural habitat. Perfect. Yeah. Success. Now, if only we could find some egg beater. Monster, shoo away! Shoo! Ah, the monsters are hiding it. Perfect. Where could it? Aha! Perfect. Maybe we could have some in. Aha! Perfect. Good. 1 cup of water. Cup vegetable oil. Alright, and 3 eggs. And now we mix it. Come here and look. Let me hear second hour class say, Alright, so now we're gonna pour the mixture into the bowl that we found underneath the cabinet that my mom told me about. Go for it, Nivea. Oh, that's a lot. Alright, I went outside of the bowl. Okay. There you go. Yep.
What kind of cake is this, Chef Brother?
Chef Brother cake.
What kind of cake is it actually?
Chef Brother cake. What it said at the store. And we're just gonna scoop it all out into this pan right here.
Can I eat this cake once we're done?
No, it's all for me. Alright, you can have 1 bite. No, right now. Alright, got it. Alright, now that the oven beeped, letting us know that it has now reached 350 degrees. Now we're going to put it in to the oven. Oh, there's a pot in there. Oh, let's see if it'll fit right here. Oh,
yes,
wow,
it
that
will
is
fit.
super sketchy. Alright, that's how you do it. Alright, and the cake is done. All we have left to do is frost it.
Can I try, Chef Brother? Thank you. Let's put that right here so then I can do it too.
Should put it all over. The beautiful cake is finished, and now we can enjoy it.
And we have a vacuum right here that vacuums it. That vacuum